Hello guys, Joey here. Got a little update about our farm. We have some chickens here. We have variety of chickens and we have mostly Rhode Islands, different sizes, different ages. We are also producing more chicks, and I'm happy to see that they are looking healthy. Also, we have some
8, 9, 10, 11,
layers
12, 13, 14, 15,
producing some eggs
16,
for food,
17, male, female.
and hopefully pretty soon we can the rain stop. We can let some of these chickens go outside to free range, and we're happy to see our chicks also. They seems to be doing good. So hopefully we can get them going and create some ways to produce more animals, chickens, to get some meat for food, some more eggs, and to create more incomes for the farm. So hopefully you enjoy the clip and happy watching. God bless. Bye bye.